Class 6th Civics Chapter 1 Understanding Diversity. In this video, we will learn about identifying diversity. Diversity. The multicolored rainbow looks beautiful because of its diverse colors. The rainbow, as you can see in the picture, it is a band of 7 colors. It is multicolored, and it looks very beautiful because of the diverse or different colors. If the rainbow would have been of single color, suppose white color, then it would not have looked as beautiful as a multicolored rainbow. Similarly, we would get bored if we had to eat the same kind of food or wear the same dress or use only one color to paint our pictures. So life would be boring if daily we have to eat the same kind of food, wear the same kind of dress, or if we have only single color to paint our pictures. Our world is interesting because there is variety in our surroundings. So our world is interesting or an interesting place to live because of the changes taking place around us. This variety is called diversity. Diversity. Diversity is the state of being varied or different from one another. So, diversity basically means being different from one another. It exists around us in very different forms. So, diversity exists around us in different forms. We see diversity all around us. The animals, they are of different types. Birds are of different types. Then even the people are not same or exactly identical to each other. We find people around us who are different from each other. They dress in a different manner. They speak different languages. They follow different religion. They have different food habits. Identifying diversity. Now, types of diversity. There are basically 3 main types of diversity: physical differences, social differences, economic differences. There are many reasons why people are different. They are different because of the physical characteristics, personal qualities, cultural background, and social or economic factors. Physical differences. All of us look different from each other. No two persons are identical or exactly true copy of the other. When you look at your friends in class, you will notice that some are tall, some are short, some have curly hair, some have straight hair, some have brown eyes, and some have black eyes. So, the students in your class, they have different appearance or they look different. Many of you come from different states, speak different languages at home, follow different religions, worship differently, celebrate different festivals, wear different types of clothes on certain occasions, and eat special type of food. So we can see that people differ from each other in appearance, also in the language they speak. Then religion, festivals they celebrate, clothes they wear, the type of food they eat, and area of domicile, that means they are the native of a particular place. So these are the physical differences. In spite of all these differences, you are friends and share a lot with each other. Now, social and economic differences. Social and economic differences also exist among people. So, besides the physical differences, there are also social and economic differences. See, caste system, it originated during the Vedic period. Okay, people were divided into 4 main castes: the Brahmins, the Kshatriyas, the Vaishyas, and the Shudras, on the basis of occupation. Okay, but slowly and gradually this caste system became very rigid. A child born in a particular caste could only take up the job that his father did. The social differences that exist in our country today are largely due to caste system. Unfortunately, it has led to various social problems. The constitution of our country prohibits discrimination on the basis of caste. Untouchability is the problem created by caste system. It is a practice in which a group of people are treated unfairly. They are treated as untouchables. The Constitution has abolished untouchability. Now it is a punishable offense. If anybody is found practicing untouchability, he may be sentenced to prison or imprisonment. Sometimes wealth also creates economic differences. So sometimes there are economic differences because of the wealth or income. Differences in income lead to inequality and affects the people in many ways. See, because of the difference in the income, there is inequality between people. Some people are extremely rich, whereas others are very poor. In fact, so poor that they cannot even fulfill their basic needs: food, shelter, and clothing. They cannot even afford 2 square meals a day or food twice a day. They cannot afford to buy food twice a day.